It begins with something so ordinary that most people never notice it. You wake up, walk past your dog, say a quick good morning, maybe scratch their head, and move on with your day. To you, it feels like another
You are
routine
such a
morning.
good boy.
But to your dog, those first
I
few
love you,
moments may
buddy.
already be shaping how safe, connected, and loved they feel for the rest of the day. Dogs don't measure love the way humans do. They don't care how expensive their bed is or whether the latest toy arrived in the mail. They aren't counting gifts or comparing lifestyles. Instead, they're reading something far more subtle. Every glance, every movement, every pattern, every moment of attention becomes part of a language they spent thousands of years learning to understand. And the surprising part is that some of the strongest signals of love are hidden inside the smallest daily habits. Once you understand how your dog experiences the world, you begin to realize that love isn't just something you feel. It's something your dog has to recognize. That idea may sound simple, but it reaches deep into the history of one of humanity's oldest friendships. For thousands of years, dogs have evolved alongside people. They became remarkably skilled at interpreting human behavior, often in ways that even surprise scientists. Studies have shown that many dogs naturally follow human pointing gestures, pay close attention to facial expressions, and even adjust their behavior depending on our emotional state. While they don't understand every word we say, they're experts at reading the patterns behind our actions. Imagine trying to understand someone who speaks an entirely different language. You wouldn't focus only on their words. You watch their eyes, their posture, their tone of voice, and their consistency. That's exactly what dogs do every single day. And that's why the first habit matters more than most owners realize. Giving your dog your full attention, even briefly, can be one of the most meaningful experiences you share. Modern life is busy. Phones buzz constantly. Work follows us home. Even when we're physically present, our attention is often somewhere else. Dogs notice that. They may not understand why you're staring at a glowing screen, but they can absolutely tell whether you're engaged with them. When you kneel down, make eye contact, speak gently, or simply spend a few uninterrupted minutes together, something important happens. You're telling your dog that they're part of your social world. Research suggests that friendly eye contact between familiar dogs and their owners can even increase oxytocin levels in both. Oxytocin is often associated with bonding and social attachment in many mammals. It's not magic, and it doesn't happen every time or with every dog, but it offers a fascinating glimpse into why quiet moments together can feel so powerful. The quality of attention often matters far more than the quantity. A focused 5-minute interaction can sometimes strengthen your relationship more than an hour spent distracted in the same room. But attention alone isn't enough. Your dog also needs something that seems ordinary to us yet extraordinary to them. Predictability. Dogs thrive on routines. This doesn't mean every minute must be scheduled. Life naturally changes. But predictable daily patterns help dogs understand what comes next, reducing uncertainty and making the world feel safer. Think about how comforting familiar routines can be for people. Morning coffee, evening walks, family dinners. These rituals quietly organize our lives. For dogs, routines provide something even more fundamental. They create a sense of security. Knowing roughly when meals happen, when walks usually begin, or when family members return home allows dogs to relax instead of constantly anticipating change. Behavior specialists often point out that predictable routines can help reduce stress in many dogs, although every individual is different. Some dogs adapt easily to change, while others become anxious when familiar patterns disappear. Consistency becomes its own form of affection. Your dog isn't simply waiting for dinner. They're learning that you're dependable. Dependability builds trust. And trust is one of the purest expressions of love any social animal can experience. Of course, routines aren't only about feeding or sleeping. Few moments mean more to most dogs than the daily walk. Many people think walks exist primarily for exercise. Physical activity is certainly important, but from your dog's perspective, something much richer is happening. The outside world is an enormous newspaper written entirely in scent. Every tree, every patch of grass, every sidewalk corner carries information invisible to us. Other dogs have passed through. Wildlife has moved nearby. The weather has shifted. Time itself leaves chemical traces. When your dog pauses to sniff, they aren't wasting time. They're gathering information. Research into canine olfaction has shown that dogs experience smell at a level humans can barely imagine. Their noses contain vastly more scent receptors than ours, and much of their brain is devoted to processing smells. Allowing your dog opportunities to sniff during walks gives them mental stimulation alongside physical exercise. It's exploration, it's learning, it's problem solving. In many ways, it's their version of scrolling through the day's news. Rushing every walk may get the exercise done, but slowing down occasionally allows your dog to engage with the world the way nature designed them. Sometimes love means letting your dog stop and smell absolutely everything. Then there's something many owners unintentionally overlook: communication. Humans often assume we're speaking clearly simply because we're using words. Dogs aren't listening the way humans listen. They're paying attention to consistency. Imagine someone smiling warmly while angrily shouting confusing instructions. Which message would you believe? Dogs face that challenge constantly. Your tone, facial expression, body posture, and timing often communicate more effectively than vocabulary itself. Positive reinforcement has become one of the most widely supported approaches in modern dog training because it focuses on rewarding desired behaviors rather than relying on fear or intimidation. When dogs consistently experience calm guidance, encouragement, and clear expectations, learning tends to become faster and less stressful. That doesn't mean boundaries disappear. Dogs still need structure, but structure built on trust creates a very different relationship than structure built on fear. Every successful interaction becomes another conversation saying, "We're working together," and partnership is something dogs understand remarkably well. Perhaps because cooperation helps shape their entire evolutionary journey alongside humans. Yet one of the strongest signals of love isn't about training at all. It's about touch. Not every dog enjoys being hugged. That surprises many people because humans often express affection through embraces. Some dogs tolerate hugs because they love the person giving them, but others find being tightly restrained uncomfortable. Instead, most dogs have their own preferences. Some lean gently against your legs. Some enjoy slow chest rubs. Others love scratches behind the ears or along the shoulders. Learning what your individual dog enjoys requires observation. Watch their body language, relaxed muscles, soft eyes, loose tail movements, choosing to stay close. These signals often tell you they're comfortable. Respecting their boundaries matters just as much as offering affection. Real love isn't forcing closeness. It's recognizing how the other individual prefers to receive it. Dogs teach us this lesson beautifully. Affection becomes stronger when it's mutual. And sometimes the greatest expression of care isn't petting more. It's noticing when they've had enough. Understanding body language opens another fascinating window into your dog's emotional world. Dogs communicate constantly. Most of it happens silently. A slow blink, a relaxed mouth, turning their head slightly, yawning outside of sleepiness, lip licking, tail carriage, ear position. None of these signals mean exactly the same thing in every situation. Context always matters. A wagging tail doesn't automatically mean happiness. It can also reflect excitement, uncertainty, or heightened emotional arousal. Likewise, a dog avoiding eye contact isn't necessarily being stubborn. They may simply be trying to calm a stressful interaction. Owners who become students of canine body language often report feeling as though they've learned an entirely new language. Suddenly, behaviors that once seemed mysterious begin making sense. And when communication improves, misunderstandings decrease. Relationships grow stronger not because the dog changes, but because the human finally understands what the dog has been saying all along. Another daily habit that quietly transforms relationships is giving dogs opportunities to think. People often underestimate how mentally active dogs truly are. Centuries of selective breeding created dogs capable of extraordinary tasks: herding livestock, locating missing people, detecting scents impossible for humans to perceive, guiding individuals with disabilities, protecting property, working alongside hunters. Even dogs who spend their lives as beloved companions still carry brains built for solving problems. Mental enrichment doesn't require expensive equipment. Simple food puzzles, hide-and-seek games, basic training sessions, searching for treats hidden around the house, learning new cues, rotating toys occasionally. These activities encourage dogs to use their natural abilities. Many behavior professionals recommend mental stimulation because boredom can contribute to unwanted behaviors in some dogs. A tired mind can be just as important as a tired body, perhaps even more so. And every successful challenge builds confidence. Confidence changes how dogs experience the world. A confident dog often approaches life with curiosity instead of fear. Helping your dog feel capable may be one of the kindest gifts you ever give them. Then there is patience. It may be the most invisible habit of all. Dogs don't wake up intending to frustrate us. They don't chew shoes because they dislike us. They don't bark simply to ruin quiet evenings. Behavior almost always serves a purpose. Sometimes it's excitement, sometimes stress, sometimes confusion, sometimes unmet needs. Understanding behavior doesn't mean excusing every action. It means asking a better question. Instead of why is my dog being difficult, try asking, what might my dog be experiencing? That single shift changes everything. Patience creates room for understanding. Understanding creates better decisions. Better decisions create stronger relationships. Scientific research continues exploring canine emotions, cognition, and attachment. And while there is still much we don't fully understand, one consistent theme continues appearing. Dogs are deeply social animals. Relationships matter enormously to them, not because they're trying to please humans at every moment, not because they exist solely for us, but because connection itself appears to be central to who they are. That connection becomes visible in countless ordinary moments. The dog who quietly follows you from room to room, the one who checks back during walks, the sleepy sigh after curling beside your feet, the joyful greeting that somehow feels just as enthusiastic, whether you've been gone 10 hours or 10 minutes. These moments aren't performances. They're pieces of a relationship built day after day, often through habits so small they almost disappear. It's easy to think love requires grand gestures, buying new toys, planning elaborate adventures, spoiling dogs with endless treats. Those things can certainly be enjoyable, but lasting relationships usually aren't built on occasional events. They're built on everyday consistency. Your calm greeting, your patient teaching, your predictable routine, your willingness to listen without words, your respect for who your dog actually is instead of who you expect them to be. Dogs don't need perfection. They don't keep score. They don't expect flawless training sessions or endless entertainment. What they seem to value most is reliability, the quiet confidence that their person is safe, familiar, and emotionally available. That's something no expensive product can replace. Perhaps the most beautiful part of living with dogs is that they constantly invite us into the present moment. They don't worry about next month's schedule. They aren't replaying yesterday's embarrassing conversation. They experience the world through what's happening now. The warmth of sunlight on the floor, the scent carried by the breeze, the sound of your footsteps approaching the front door, the gentle touch of your hand. In learning how dogs recognize love, we may accidentally discover something about ourselves. Real connection rarely comes from dramatic declarations. It grows from attention, trust, consistency, understanding, patience, respect. Tiny choices repeated every single day until they become the foundation of an extraordinary relationship. Your dog may never understand every word you say. They'll never read a letter explaining how much they mean to you. They won't measure your affection by the price of their collar or the size of your home. Instead, they'll remember the person who noticed when they were uncertain, who slowed down enough to let them explore, who celebrated small victories, who listened to silent conversations, who made the world feel predictable, safe, and welcoming. To your dog, love isn't hidden inside one perfect moment. It's woven through thousands of ordinary ones. And perhaps that's the greatest lesson they quietly teach us, that the deepest bonds in life are rarely built all at once. They're built one gentle habit, one shared routine, one trusting glance, and one ordinary day at a time.